yet another unboxing video, and guess what, this is again from Secret Garden, and guess what, we again have a ton of orchids there, so I'm super excited to open it up. Not really all of them are mine, some of them are for a friend, but that really doesn't matter much. You know what, I will speed up all this video, and let me see, I might find a different angle for you, so you better see what I'm doing. Maybe this will be better. What do you think? I hope. Yes, I hope so. So I will speed this unpacking process up, and then I will come back with each orchid and see how it looks like, exactly what I bought. Okay guys, and here they are. Look at this beauty. This is a Phalaenopsis. It is a huge one. Very beautiful, very interesting leaves. It seems to me that it is crossed with a species, but the number of blooms is out of this world. They are really gorgeous blooms. I think here we have at least 100 blooms, at least, but should be even 200. So yeah, it seems that I have some false spider mites or they are, no, those are the true spider mites. But anyway, this is easily fixed. It has a lot of fruits, a lot of leaves. It looks really good. Here I have a miltonia crossed with binotii. Really interesting cross, very fragrant, and she's also very healthy. It seems that the pseudobulbs are very plump. Oopsie, sorry, it's not very stable in her pot, but anyway. Here I have Phalaenopsis Table Masterpiece. She looks gorgeous. I didn't completely unpack it because this one is actually for a friend, so I will just ship her forward. Looks really beautiful. It's also a bit fragrant, and it has a ton of fruits. Look at that. She is super healthy. I think Roger has one of these, and he found a interesting name for it. Something with dinosaurs and I don't know. Anyway, here I have a beautiful Cattleya. I will try to show you her in a better light. They are not really completely opened right now. They can open more than this, but oh, here it is, some good light for a Cattleya. Only that she doesn't have enough space to sit. So as I was saying, the blooms are gorgeous. They are not very big, about 10 centimeters in diameter, but I really like the coloration. And for now she's not fragrant, but she can be fragrant. And here I have a big plant. Look at that. She's quite big and she has new growths. Some of them are damaged, as you can see here. It's missing a leaf here as well, and here a new growth was broken. This one might also be broken, the tip is broken, but here it is a cutted one. Here I have another new growth. So she is quite healthy. She has at least 6 directions of growth. Very good plant. And the thing with the cutted leaves or pseudobulbs, it is not because of the secret garden, but because of their distributor. Those ones I'm sure have cut the pseudobulbs to just make them fit better inside the box, which is rather sad, but that is what they done. I am quite happy with this orchid. It's huge, it has a lot of fruits, and yeah, I cannot wait to feel her fragrance. Next I bought 3 more Cattleyas, the ones that are super big. Look at that! The bloom is actually quite large, but they are not properly opened because they were, I think they opened on shipping. But they are really gorgeous blooms. I will try to put a pop-up with some blooms that look better. And these are actually the plants that are for sale. I told you I have 3 big Cattleyas for sale. Look at that. Look how big they are. So if you are interested in these, contact me through email. Here I have a dendrobium Phalaenopsis white, and it is so healthy. I didn't yet completely unpack it, but look at that. Look at those pseudobulbs. They are very plump. Try to show you better. I think it has at least 2 directions of growth. This is a quite interesting flower. I don't really recall right now her name, but I will try to put a pop-up on the screen. The blooms are rather green with black spots inside, and this is actually the shape of the bloom, and she's colored inside. Really interesting one. And here I have the other Cattleya. I said I have 3 of them. These ones are for sale. They are in bloom and they look spectacular. They have a lot of pseudobulbs. So yeah, guys, I'm not even sure about which one I am the happiest. I believe it is this Phalaenopsis because it has so many blooms. Let me show to you this one as well in a better light, so you understand why I am so happy. Look at that! Look how gorgeous she is. The blooms are very small, but they also might be fragrant. I think this will be a good spot for her because she is big. So I think somewhere in here she will sit. So she has also good light. They can branch out, as you can see. And they grow and grow and grow. How beautiful is she? I'm so happy. I must water her. She is rather dry. I think this one will be one of my experiments to put in the new, in one of those products that I have received. Okay, you don't know what I'm talking about, I just realized. So I done an unboxing video in Romanian with some products for which I will do some reviews, but I will also put, I will make the videos for reviewing these products in Romanian, but I will put English subscribe, or I don't know how to call this in English. Anyway, you will be able to read whatever I am saying in English, so you will also see exactly what I'm talking about, because some of the products can be found in other countries than Romania, and some of them might be available in the future, so I wanted to show to you this as well at the end of the video. I'm so happy. These orchids are very healthy, as Secret Garden usually is shipping them. Very happy. Okay, sorry for that. So as I was saying, as always, all the plants seem to be very healthy. I am very happy with the orchids that I'm buying from Secret Garden, and you know what, I will put a link in the description of this video and in the comment section below. They don't ship internationally for now, at least, but for Romania maybe some of you are interested. This is so gorgeous. I'm so happy with them. So alright guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you very much for watching and see you all next time. Bye!